Hopefully everybody's all right. Everybody's doing well. This is Reza from channel Reza Blade. If you're seeing this live, I'm airing from Beautometry's page. I'm opening this beautiful 20-item advent calendar box for Halloween. Sorry. And if you're seeing this on YouTube, do please like and subscribe and comment. That really helps me out, those comments and likes. We have so many days to get through and so much fun to have. Today is day 8. So here's day 9. Let's see. Let's see where day 8 is. I'm never going to find it, am I? Aha! Day 8. This reminds me how many, I kind of think of today as kind of near the end of October, but it's not. We have so many more days to do. This is really exciting. And thank you for joining me. I do nail videos, mostly stamping and tips and tricks and tutorials, etc. And today we're going to be opening this item. As I've mentioned before, I really love the packaging and care that Beautometry has gone into with this advent box. It's very clear that they want the experience to be awesome. So, and I am saving these bags. Here's a bat one. I love this. So, fun image to build with stamping plates as well. All right. Okay. All right. So we have a polish, it looks like. Today is hard to open. Oh, I have scissors here. Dork. I'm such a dork. I leave all the bloopers in, guys. All the bloopers in. Oh, how cute is this? Naps and nails. And Hello Kitty with some spooky little tidbits. Like, she's pastel goth Hello Kitty. Very fun. I wonder where I should put that sticker. And we have, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so this is a Naps and Nails polish. Very interested. This one is called Zombie Kitten. So I guess this is a zombie Hello Kitty, maybe. She wants our brains. Okay, so we've got some clear iridescent flash and pink here with this green. And then looks like some glitters. Let's see how this swatches. I kind of want to do a stamp from the zombie plate, but I don't have that plate out. Oh, wow. Actually, this looks even cooler than it did from inside the bottle. This is much cooler. I really like the Viridian green, I think is the word I'm going to use. It's very like plant life and grass life and things. I really like this. And I love the flakies in there. Or maybe they're just larger glitters. How cool is that? All right, so I have to do something to kind of occupy everybody. I don't think I went live just to show off the polish and go in 2 minutes. So let me kind of on the fly think about something to do with this. I can show you a trick I've been learning, actually. I had wanted to do some various color blocking without involving the nail. So let's say I don't want to put too many top coats on my nail. And if you're using Scotch tape, which is my usual color blocking method, you really do kind of need to have a very hard, dry top coat on there. So let's say you want to do everything on the stamper. Let me pull out a stamper. Doesn't matter if it's cloudy. This is just an average stamper. So I got this tape. Let's see if this works. I'm going to show you this technique. It works like 20, no, I'm lying. It works like 50% of the time. So we'll see if it works today. So I got this super hold tape because it wasn't, my idea wasn't working on the regular old Scotch tape, magic tape that I use, okay? So, or if you're in Britain, cello tape, whatever. This is the super sticky one, okay? So what I'm going to do, let's say I don't want to use stamping plates and I don't want to do it on the nail, but I want half the nail to be green and half the nail to be pink or whatever, right? I put my tape and I make sure it's really down. And I'm going to use, what am I going to use with this polish? Let's say we've got a gold polish. So this is just a generic polish. And I want to make sure that the Scotch tape is really down nicely on the stamper. And I'm just gonna go across the stamper, laying down my polish. And right away, cross your fingers for me, everybody. And boom! We do not have to involve the nail or the nail polish on the finger. We can do it all on the stamper. I love it when you can take steps on the stamper and you don't have to mess with your nails. So, and that is how I got a straight line. An important note, it does not involve the regular old magic. I keep telling you this, but it won't work with the regular old magic Scotch tape. I did have to buy a special tape. But, I mean, if you're interested, this is something I used recently for a certain one of my manis. In fact, it's Embrace the Darkness. So let me show you what it is that I'm talking about. Because this is one of the next videos I'm making. Probably filming today, although I keep saying that. And I keep not being up to much. Let's get these guys out of the way here. I'm going to put another coat on them first, though. Let's see. I'm going to use... What am I going to use? Here. Alright, I'm going to use this Beautometry card to show you so I don't have to close in. It's been misbehaving, my zoom feature, when I'm doing a live. So, if you see these, this is from the Embrace the Darkness. I really like that effect with the damask and then the devil over it in the red. And here's the devil over some Latin. Anyway, so I did these nails. I did this color blocking. You can see on the side, that's a straight line. I did this color blocking with this technique after I had picked up the images on the stamper, just as a sort of a cheat. And I'll explain more of that in my video to come, but I thought I'd give you a sneak peek about this technique. I don't have it reliably, constantly working right, but it's something. I'm going to try one more coat of this. I'm sorry I can't see anybody's comments and I can't see whether I have any viewers. But I guess it's just one of those days. Hopefully I'll do this correctly tomorrow. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. And so that's our 2-coat swatch. Yet another winner from Beautometry's Advent Box. This is beautiful. I am super impressed. I like naps and nails anyway. I met the maker. She's really amazing and nice. But there you go. That is our little adventure for the day. Why don't I show you? So don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all my videos once I release them, if I ever get them done. Alright, I thought I had some sticky base coat around here. Oh, here we go. We'll just see how this looks. Let's make it more like a French tip kind of a look. So toward the free edge is where I'm going to stamp this down. And I'm trying to make it straight. It's probably easier for me to aim using the viewfinder. There we go. I failed with the straight, but at least I got it on. And there we have a beautiful gold tip, and we did not have to freehand it, and we didn't have to block it off on the physical nail. So there you go. That's what I've got for today. I hope you all had fun. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments below. And tune in tomorrow, definitely. Tune in tomorrow, same bat time, same bat channel, noon Central Time or 1 p.m. for Eastern Time in the U.S. So, I don't know who came on, but I'm doing my goodbye. So hopefully you're watching the video from the beginning. We have our first viewer. And with that, adieu. I will see you all tomorrow.